Good morning. Got the towel off the radiator. I'm just going to quickly fold this while I wait for everyone to come on. Good morning. I hope you're all okay. Happy Baby Play Monday. Hope you're all well. Morning. Hiya. Just folding my towels. Hope you're okay. Hello. Good morning. Who's on? Who's on today? Morning, Pam. Actually, I don't know if anyone's seen my stories this morning. I did say that we have a puppy coming to stay with us today for a couple of days. So really, I should be doing Puppy Play Monday, shouldn't I, instead of Baby Play Monday? Because I used to spend my days making toys for our Archie, our puppy, when he was tiny. But I don't make as many anymore. Good morning. So yeah, we've got a beautiful little puppy coming to stay with us about 10 o'clock. Hence me being a little bit early today. Although saying I was going to be early, I'm now a little bit late. I think she's a golden retriever. Olivia, hello. Is she a golden retriever? Nellie's coming. Yeah, Nellie's coming today, isn't she? Yeah.
I need to get the wrap.
Okay, I'm going to. There you are. Right. No. Sorry, guys. Sorry, good morning. He always times it when I'm on a video, doesn't he? Anyway, I hope you're all right. Sorry. Yeah, Nellie's coming to play with us today. So I should be doing a little puppy activity this morning, shouldn't I? But actually it's a baby activity instead. But if you're watching our stories, I'm sure we'll be doing loads with the puppy today. So we're all excited. But we spent the morning moving everything from the floor upwards to make sure that there's nothing that the puppy could chew on. So that's been fun, trying to make sure that all the floors are clear. But yeah, anyway, I hope you're all okay. Happy Monday, everybody. Anyone got any nice plans today? And what are you up to? You'll have to let me know. It does look like it's getting a little bit brighter, but it's still absolutely freezing. So I don't know what's going on. Anyway, so this morning I'm going to show you really quick and easy. I say really quick and easy, it is, but it's not like our... feel a hair in my face. It's not like my usual flick the kettle on, set something up and the activity is ready. It is going to take a little bit more work, I must say. So it's maybe one that you want to do during nap time, or it's one that you want to do tonight. Got some fluff or something tickling my face. So it's one that's going to take a little bit more time, but trust me, it's going to be using bits and pieces that you've probably got in the house already. However, I'll show you what I've done. So this morning what we're talking about, surviving the holidays. Lots of you are doing that. And the farm. And I think I heard saw someone else say the Royal Armouries. Amazing. Survive. Yeah, I know the feeling. So this morning, this is my baby. I'm going to use this lion, this scruffy lion as my baby. And what I've made for my baby is a feely board. It's like a little feelies board. I'm just looking for something I could put. I'm going to tilt the iPad slightly. There we go. So you might be able to see a little bit better. So this is like a feely board I've made. So it's all different types of textures and things to look at as well. And they're really lovely. And I thought I'd share it with you, obviously, because you've got so much time in the holidays, obviously, because we're all just sat around twiddling our thumbs, aren't we? But I thought you never know. You might just, if you're out and about or whatever. So this is actually, it's a picture frame. You see, it's one of those big picture frames that you get with loads of different collections. I think IKEA do some. This one's actually B&M. I know, I should be sponsored by B&M. Sadly, I'm not. I spend all my own money in there. But it is one from B&M and it's really handy. And the reason why I like it is it's plastic, so it's nice and safe. And all I've done is I took the back bit off, the backboard, and then stuck on lots of different textures. So I'll go through the textures that I've stuck on, remove the shiny plastic, because obviously you want your baby to feel it. And yeah, it's just loads of different textures that your baby can explore, and it's the kind of thing, once it's made, it's done. You've got it handy and you can have it out if you've got a little play area, maybe in your lounge, or if you've got a playroom or in their bedroom. It's maybe something that you could have secured to the wall, or you can have yours loose like I do. And I used to sit them in Mason's in the laundry basket when I was playing with him, and they can be really nice. Or equally, they can be laid flat on the floor and really great for tummy time, so that's always nice. So yeah, so just to go through, because I know it's probably hard to see it now, this one goes through me, so I'm not going to touch it, but it's like a velvet. It's like velvet just creeps me out. It's like a velvety texture, so it's nice and soft, lovely for babies, but I hate touching it. Sorry, I've got something, there is something in my eye. Then this is like a scouring pad, so it's a metallic-y sort of colour, nice scouring pad, that sort of thing. I've just cut it in half, just cut the top sheet of it off and just placed it behind. I do have a glue gun, so I used a glue gun, but you could also use double-sided sticky tape, anything like that. And actually, once you put the frame on, it does hold it all down and all together. Oh, someone else is saying velvet too. Yeah, do you find some of the, like the Usborns and the Feely Bucks, some of them, when Mason used to touch them, used to go right through me. Some of them I used to avoid because of the textures in them. It's funny, isn't it? And actually, do you know what, going off on a tangent, it's really worth thinking about that as well with children. So just like I'm saying how the velvet goes through me, there are some textures as well that children don't like. And it's just to be aware of that and not force, if they're showing signs that it makes them uncomfortable, or it's a sensation that they're not enjoying, not to force it. Because just like I don't like touching velvet, children can be the same as well. And it can be all sorts of things. It can be sand, it can be grass, it can be different textures on a board. So that's just something to bear in mind. If you notice your baby or your young child is reacting to a texture that they really don't like it, try not to force it, and then don't include it on your sensory board, because it's just we all have our own preferences, don't we? And some children have a hyper sensitivity to different textures as well, so it's something to be really aware of. Okay, so and then this is just like a lining paper, a little bit of old wallpaper that's got lines on, so it's nice and bumpy and rough. This was the scrap bit, I don't know if you can see it, from, the fake grass that they've got for sale in Aldi and Lidl at the minute, and it's more like a carpet than the actual fake grass, is that I just cut the spare corner off it from when I cut a shape for my tuss spot. I cut it to fit the tuss spot so it sits in, and just the corner left over, I used it for this, and it's really soft, it's very lovely, and it's nice, it's that grass green colour.